Welcome back to our podcast, The Interviewees, where today we will interview the creator of Workspace Magazine, Daniel Mendoza Flores. So tell me about Workspace Magazine. How did you integrate technologies, software, hardware, and online in this project? Let's start with the most important technology I used, most obviously the internet. Having access to the internet allowed me to receive feedback and communicate to other people that would often not even know. Most importantly, my hobby in game creation gave me some experience in design, especially when posting about it online. I was able to get feedback from other people. I even got to look at other people's work and get inspiration on what looks good. And throughout, I gained lots of experience on design, which really helped me with my design choices in creating Workspace Magazine. Really? What else did the internet provide? The internet also allowed me to search across the web and helped me get valuable information when I needed it. I got to learn more about color theory and how different colors influence people. This really helped me with design as it allowed me to pick specific color palettes in my magazine. It allowed me to access valuable information for me to use in my magazine. It allowed me to research my audience and how to alter my magazine to better appeal to my target audience, especially with information on demographics on people who develop games. It wasn't so hard to find their interests. But most importantly, it allowed me to transfer files between two pieces of hardware that compiled all my files together. Really? What were those devices? My phone, responsible for allowing me to access versatile applications such as IBS Paint, which I could have used on my computer, but I didn't feel like I needed to pay for it when it was free on the App Store and on mobile devices. It's free on PC, but limited at only 1 hour a day. The mobile version doesn't have this limitation, which is why decided to use it for my digital art. It's also the same device I spent most of the time on social media platforms such as Discord. These social media platforms, like discussed before, will allow me to gain feedback from other people and get a wide range of opinions from many people. This is where I was exposed to many other designers, which influenced my design choices in my magazine. But most importantly, my computer was the most important piece of hardware to compile everything here today. It's even where I'm creating this video. My phone was able to transfer files from my computer and allow me to compile different pieces of the magazine, like the graphics you see all plastered in the magazine. However, I didn't make all the graphics of my magazine on my phone. The wireframe mesh you see here in the table of contents, while also the graphic image here, was made in a software in my computer called Blender. This is where I could make the model mesh and also where I could draw. But these elements were all compiled in one application called Canva, which is mainly accessed through my computer. This is where I put everything together, the images, the paragraphs upon paragraphs of information in the magazine. Everything made here was made through multiple pieces of software and all compiled into one. It was fun making this magazine. I grew skills and new skills, and it's been a journey, and I enjoyed creating this magazine. That's nice to hear. And that concludes our podcast. Hopefully, you learned something new about magazine creation like I did. And have a nice, wonderful day.